Cream Puff, guys. She was the oldest cat ever recorded according to the 2010 edition of Guinness World Records. She lived an incredible 38 years, equivalent to around 168 na yan in human years. Ito naman si Grandpa Rex Allen, who was the 6th oldest cat ever recorded and lived for 34 years. Anong similarity nilang dalawa? Una, pareho silang pag-aari ni Jake Perry na isang plumber sa Texas. Pangalawa, they have very unique and unconventional diet na for sure hindi acceptable para sa karamihan sa atin.
Ang diet kasi nila guys is mainly dry cat food and supplemented with broccoli, eggs, turkey bacon, coffee with cream, and every 2 days, an eyedropper full of red wine. May nabasa akong article na criticize ang diet ng mga cats niya. Parang walang tama dun sa pinakain niya, and yet his cats live exceptionally long lives. Ito pa ang interesting info guys. 6 sa mga pusa niya reached 30 years of age. And what's nice sa pag-aalaga niya was maraming playtime ang mga cats niya. Ginawa niya ng enclosure sa backyard that allow his pets to enjoy outdoors. May mga steps sa walls na pwede nilang akyatan. At may movie time pa sila. Pinapanood niya ang mga cats niya ng mga nature documentaries. Although most nutritionists and vets would strongly disagree sa diet na binigay ni Jake, kung may isang bagay man na siguradong tama siya, ito ay yung love, care, attention at quality of life na binigay niya sa kanyang mga pusa.